Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can add Google Translate to your website for the global reach. Say for example, this is my WordPress website and I am assuming your website is also somewhat WordPress. And see here, assume one of the user by search engine or by direct access gone to your website, and the user is not native English speaker, so or the user wants maybe in Spanish language, then you can use Google Translate integrated to your WordPress website so that you can target the global audience. For to do that, I'm just logging into my dashboard of WordPress website, right? So yeah, this is the dashboard. The first thing you can do is you can reach out to the plugins here. So I'll be adding a new plugin now, right? And here in the search bar, I'll be searching as Google Translate. Okay, there are many translating apps available. Translate WordPress with GTranslate, so I'll be installing this one. Okay, once it is successfully installed, you need to just activate and use it. Okay, I'll be clicking on activate now. Just click on the activate. Fine, right? And where is this? Click on the settings here. So which type does this translate available on your WordPress website? So say for example, when a user from another country other than English means language reach your particular web page. Okay, so how do you want the Google Translate option to be appearing here? So is it floating bar type? Yeah, so float, pop-up, drop down flags, it should be float. Let us check whichever is available. I can choose that. Okay, for played pans only, native language names, add auto switch to browser language, enable CDN. So these are the options I'm just checking. Okay, show menu left, yeah, show floating language selected, yes. So these are options I'm just testing. Okay, you can use it anyway. Okay, flag languages, check all I'm saying. So all languages I want, I'll be clicking on save the changes now. So yeah, changes saved. So I'll be refreshing this page now. Right, see here at the left side, I choose the position, right? Maybe I'll be using this language or any language. Maybe I can search for Hindi, maybe. Just for a moment, see, with one tap, the user can access your website or can use your website in a different language just with one click. See here. Likewise, Latin or Spanish. So you can just change the options here. Show floating language selector, right? This one you can keep it to like top right would be best. Maybe top right would be. These options you can tweak according to your choice. Let me refresh the page once. See here at the top right, okay, excellent. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like. That would be a great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.